Hey everyone, I'm Jay from Polarity Labs. Last week, we launched Paragon, the world's first AI QA engineer, topping benchmarks in terms of code review. Today, I'm super excited to talk about our first big feature update that pushes the boundaries of QA in your terminal, comprehensive end-to-end testing. Let me show you how it works. I just finished building a full-stack application and fixed all of the issues Paragon detected. Now I want to ensure the general functionality of my application is still intact. So I simply prompt Paragon to perform some EDE testing. Paragon will then install all required dependencies, generating comprehensive unit tests, which then run to confirm functionality, like if UI/UX components work and if all API routes are operational. Paragon will also spawn browser agents that record top hat videos so the user can observe the testing and include it inside of their PRs. This significantly saves time for developers. Developers no longer have to manually click through their product or hope nothing breaks. With Paragon handling unit, integration, and end-to-end testing automatically, teams can feel confident that their implementation is secure and fully operational after every change. Paragon is reshaping the way developers and teams perform their due diligence on their products. And this is only the beginning. Give it a try today at polarity.cc.